Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Xiaohongshu in English. First, open the Xiaohongshu app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. From here, tap on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for General Settings and tap on it. On this page, look for the Language option. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. Choose English from the list. The app will then switch to English, making it easier for you to navigate. Now, when you go back to the main screen, all of the text should appear in English. You can browse posts, interact with content, and even follow other users without the language barrier. That's how you can use Xiaohongshu in English. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.